This is our login page for users as well as recruiters. First of all, we will sign in through LinkedIn. Sign in with LinkedIn will help you to import profile directly. Now we will sign in. So here you can see we have signed in through LinkedIn. Now let's demo through already created user Allies. Here we will log out and log in through the user Allies. So on dashboard you can see the relevant job suggestions based on skill sets of Allies. We have a menu through which the users can navigate to various sections. First we will go through edit profile. This is where you can manage your entire profile. We have basic info where you can see primary information of user. One interesting feature to note here is making profile public. This will help to find you based on the skill sets. If you want your profile to be private, you can turn it off. Next, we have sections like education, project and skills. Note, so we have projects and skills. So in projects and skills, you can see that the Allies has 7 to 8 projects. We also have work experience. Now let's create a resume first. We will discuss other section later. Let's say Allies wants to apply as a data scientist job posted on Indeed. This job requires R, Python and MySQL. All Allies has to do is copy the URL. All Allies has to do is copy the URL and paste it to create resume. Now algorithm behind the scene will select the 4 most relevant projects out of 8. If still not satisfied, Allies can add or remove the contents. That's it. Press create resume and Allies is done. As you can see, the resume is created with proper format. Allies has option to either download as Word document or as a PDF. If not deleted, it will be saved in the system, which you can see in all resume section, where Allies has option to view, delete or download the resume. Additionally, we also suggest jobs based on the skill sets. This all are the GitHub jobs, which we have integrated through GitHub API. We have 2 quick buttons to either generate resume or save job for later purposes. As you can see here, you have saved the job so that you can create resume for later purposes. Now we have a contact feature. This contact feature can be used to give feedback to the admin so that admin can know where user is finding any problem or facing any issues.